the exam that ISI it's being conducted now, so MTRP Mathematical Talent Research Program.
Oh, MTRP. So who is eligible
Yes,
for this?
sir, there are two categories, I think, sir. One for 11th and 12th, and then one for 8th, 9th, 10th.
Oh,
So
so
I joined.
is this different from NMTC?
Yes, sir. This is different from NMTC. This is for the integration, the school fest.
Oh, this is ISI School Fest thing.
Yes, sir, ISI school fest thing.
Oh, so this is over?
No, no, it's not over. So I got the book. So there was one practice question in the book.
Oh, okay, okay. Just a second. Okay, so one
Yes.
can still register for this.
I think so. So I'm not sure. Maybe registrations are
Okay.
closed, but uh,
Oh,
I'm not sure. I registered early, like
okay. And it's
3 weeks
online.
over.
It's online.
Yeah. Yes, online.
Okay. Okay, I'll inform others. Okay. So yeah, you can ask a question. Let's see. Let's try.
So the question was the product of uh, the products pi symbol. It would be easier to express in pi.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh, 2k minus 1
Okay.
over 2k.
Mm-hmm.
K goes from 1 to n.
Mm-hmm.
Prove that this product is less than 1 over
Okay. Uh, show n is less than
1 over root 3n.
like this.
Yes, yes,
All in root. Okay.
yes. So this was under what is that? Induction, sir.
Hmm.
But then they've given hint. They've given a hint that says that if induction doesn't work at first, then try to prove a stronger result. So
Yes. Yes. Right. Hmm. So see, what happens in induction is you use the smaller case to prove the larger case, right? So sometimes
yes,
proving something harder can be actually easier
yes, yes.
because you have, yeah, because then you have that when you say prove something harder, so you also get to assume something harder, right? So and
Correct.
that can
Yes.
help you to prove. So that is the trend in induction. It can be. So let us see.
So it'll be 3/4, no, sir?
Which one?
Second term.
Yes, of course. Why am I writing that? Hmm.
So I was thinking of I don't know, maybe AM, GM, that could work, but since it was an induction exercise, I wanted to do it using
No,
induction only.
AMGM, I'm not very optimistic about in this case. This is a certain
Okay.
specific
Yes.
kind of question because you see the factors are very different. And AMGM gives you good bounds when the factors are close to each other or they can be made close to each other in variables x, y, right? And that's you understand,
Yes.
right? So
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah, it might still work, but yeah. So yeah, so to show this. Hmm. So let us see. So if we assume this, I'm just still writing the same thing again.
Yes, sir.
So it is enough to show that this is less than this.
Yeah, yes, so even I got this inequality.
Yeah,
I
but
might
this
have
is
made a
not.
mistake,
Hmm?
but I was getting 1 is less than 0. I think I made a algebra 1. I'll find my working. So
Yeah, no, this will not be true. I know this will not be true, but yeah, you check it. 2n plus 2.
yes, yes, I got 2k plus 1 over 2k plus 2 less than root k or k plus 1. This inequality.
Yes.
Uh, then I squared and did all of that. I didn't get the.
Yeah, 1 second. So it is 9 by 16. Yeah, so this is certainly not correct. Yeah. So see, what we have to do is we have to, instead of this, we have to replace this with something else.
Yes,
Right.
something stronger.
Yes, something lesser than maybe, yeah, we have to replace it with something, and that's what we have to come up with. Okay,
Yes, sir.
somehow. We have to put something in the middle. So let's say that this is Tn. Okay, then this would be Tn plus 1. So instead of this, we will have Tn plus 1.
Yes.
So, okay. So can you guess something here?
Oh, Tn over Tn plus 1. So I was thinking maybe something like 1 over 2 root n.
No, that will not work, right? The ratio will have the same problem.
Oh,
Eventually you'll take
yes.
ratio, right? So that will have the same problem.
Yes, sir.
I have done questions like this before, so let's see if I can do it.
Yes, I've done one sum instead of product. I think similar one.
Where you have to predict, just a second.
Yes.
Let me think. So square root. I will not change the 3. This has to be bigger than. Yeah, so that doesn't. Yeah, so is this correct? Is
Which
this
one,
correct?
sir?
Is this correct?
Yeah. Uh, so I'm getting n over n plus 1, not n minus 1.
Oh, no, sorry, I did not say. So yeah, that one is not correct, right? N over n,
Yes,
root
sir.
over, that one is not correct. You have checked it. But
Yes.
yeah, but what I'm just saying is that if I take Tn to be like, just make the simplest change.
What change,
Okay.
sir? Tn to be root 3n minus.
1 by root 3n minus 1. Then I will get
Okay.
this, that I have to prove this
Okay.
2n plus 1 by this is less than. Is this correct? Can you check?
Let's check.
Just
Let's
cross
take
multiply and proved it, or if you find some way to say.
2n. So it'll be 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 2 lesser than root n minus 1 by n, sir. So
Okay, no,
we have
sorry.
to show
So
this.
yeah, so maybe I'll put this
Yes.
3 times n minus 1. Okay, then so that it is this. Just check if this is correct. Hmm.
No, so if you take n equal to 1, left hand side will get 3 by 4. Right hand side will get 0.
Yeah, that's right. That's okay. That I checked. But apart from that, apart from 1,
Oh,
yeah, for 2 it is correct. It is true.
yes. No, sir.
No,
For
it
if we
is.
take n equal to 4,
Yeah, it doesn't. I got it. It
9 by
doesn't work.
10 less than root 3 by 2.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Yes.
So this one does not work. Okay. Let's keep trying. So you have to quickly try, like, maybe just because that was probably too much. That was too less, right? Something. So now you have to take something better, right? Something more than that. The what
Yes.
we took. So more than that, probably this can be a candidate. Let's see if this works out. So then it will become and 3n plus 2.
Okay, so
No, this is also not correct, right? Yeah,
yes, sir. I tried n equal to 5.
doesn't work.
Yes, it doesn't work.
Okay, so then we forget it. So we have to think of something. Okay, let's see. Let's try to not. Let's try to find another way to think of that Tn. Uh, it's a very specific kind of thing. Tn by Tn plus 1.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because you see, the left-hand side is also like that, right? Fn by Fn plus 1. Oh no,
Yes.
it is not, because yeah, there is 1 and 2. Or am I writing it incorrectly? No, that is okay. Right. Something, can we say something about Tn from this inequality? Can you work backwards from this inequality? Can you say something about Tn?
So suppose we just start. Yes, so 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2 over uh, less than tn over tn plus 1.
Hmm.
We can try cross multiplying.
Yes, certainly. That is fine. Hmm. Well, you can try this. You can do like this. You can assume that Tn is, because I don't know how different, because see, I mean, it cannot be different in order than root n. So
Okay.
we guess it is like this, and we'll try to
Root
find
A and
out, like of the
A
form
and B.
root a n plus b, we try to predict a and b. Okay, because we are not able to do it elegantly, so we'll try to do it unelegantly, maybe. Uh,
Yes.
Somehow we have to keep trying. So let us see. So then this becomes an plus a plus b and an plus b. From this, what can we say? So is there anything we can say? 1 second. Constant. Yeah, the constant should eventually not matter. What I'm saying, what I'm again thinking is that I think this constant b should not matter.
Why is that, sir?
Because you understand, because yes, the reason why I'm saying this is because, I mean, if you look at this thing, an plus b, and you look at an, I mean, a times n, these two are,
Yes.
this ratio is 1, more or less.
Yeah.
Right. So the b should, so
Correct, sir.
probably
Yes.
the b should not matter. It's a 3 that has to change. No, but then that's what we did, right? We saw that if you change the 3 to anything else, you get back the same thing, root n by root n plus 1, which does not work.
Correct. Yes, sir.
So I'm contradicting myself. So somewhere wrong in my reasoning. So then maybe we have to give up, because this one is, let us see. Yes, there might be a, yeah. So the problem is that it may not depend on the B for being true, but it may depend on the B for getting an easy proof.
Yeah. Getting. Correct. Yes.
Yes, so that way maybe. So we have to keep the B. So then what can I think of? Let us see. Change the 3 to something small. Can you say something about A and B? Some calculations?
Sir. I was. So maybe A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 0, because that also seems to be true, sir.
A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 0. Okay. But
Yes.
then that is 2 root n.
Yeah. Maybe that would make calculations easier somehow.
Okay, but will it, no, but that's the same problem. For 1 second. So, 1 minute. Yeah, so this is certainly lesser than 1 by root 3n.
Yes, sir.
But then when you try to prove, don't you again get that this is, or just tell me what is it root n by
I'll do
root n
the
plus 1?
no. I'll do the calculation once, sir. So we assume.
Yeah, you'll again get root n by root n plus 1, right? So what's the point?
Okay. Yeah, which is wrong.
That was
Yes,
my
sir.
initial point, that only changing the a will not never work.
Okay.
Only changing the a will never work. Then how are we supposed to do this? This is very strange. Something has to work, right? 1 minute. So if fn is equal to 2n plus 1 and fn plus 1 is equal to 2n plus 2. Can you tell me some function which does this, fn equal to 2n plus 1 and fn plus 1 equal to 2n?
So Fn is equal to
Like I'm
2n
thinking that
plus
if,
1.
yes, if we somehow just take this to be equal, can we?
Oh,
So fx is not equal to 2x plus 1. That function does not work. Okay.
yeah.
So some nice function that can. No, it's easy to think of. Four n square plus what is this? No, just 4n square plus 2n plus 1 a n plus a plus b. Yeah, from this inequality, can we say something about? So this method is slightly computational, but it's can be more powerful if you can use this to guess the a and b.
Yes, sir. So 4 and yes, sir. Probably with this. Yeah, yes, sir. With this we can find A and B. Some A and B we can find.
Yes, yes. So can you tell what a and b?
Yes, sir.
So what do you have in mind? Like putting n equal to 0, that kind of thing? B is less than.
Yeah, yes, sir. We can put n equal to 0.
So
And
yeah,
then we get.
so b is less than 4a plus b, but then this is quite,
Yeah.
in a way it is useless if b is positive. But let us see. What can you say about a?
So we can try putting 1. 4 plus
That
4 plus
is,
1. So that'll be 9. 9A plus.
yeah, and also this will become a cubic if we, so we cannot use discriminants and so on. You understand? Like
Yes, sir.
discriminant. Yeah, so then you're saying put a equal to 1 and c. So let's do that.
So it'll be 9A plus B is less than and 16 2A plus B.
16 2a plus b.
Yes, so the n square plus 2n plus 1 will be 1
Hmm.
plus 2 plus 1, 4. 16 2A plus B.
So what a will, but then I don't understand. Then this is, wait. No. So no, small values will not tell the true picture. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It seems because see the RHS is bigger than LHS automatically, right? It's not useful like this.
Yes, sir.
Wait. So we have to take limits. I mean, in the limit we will get some values. 32. There is some problem. Wait.
So what about A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1?
So does that always work?
Yeah,
Let
that's
us
what
check.
I'm checking that. Yes.
A equal to 2, B equal to 1.
Yes. So what we'll get is 4n square plus 4n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 lesser than or equal to 4 into n square plus 2n plus 1 into 2n plus oh no, sorry, so you'll get 2n plus 2 plus 2n plus 3. So now let's see if that works.
Yeah, just check if that is correct.
Yeah, yes sir.
Okay, nice.
Oh,
Then that's it. Then that's the inequality you prove.
yes sir.
Yeah.
We can try to show that
Yes,
inequality.
and even if you put it like this, like you take Tn to be this, right? Because what you're
Yes sir.
telling is equivalent to taking
Yeah.
Tn to be this, and then you can actually check this thing that this is true. So like
Yes
the
sir.
induction thing works. So this is the correct improved problem, the harder
Yeah.
problem.
Yes.
Yeah, but just still check the details later on if you want to. But I think this is
Yes.
yeah. So it
Yes.
seems we
Yes.
got it.
Right.
We did a lot of hard work. This problem was like manual work, but yeah, I think
Yes.
nice.
It had a star, so I guess it was a tough question.
Yes, yeah, and eventually being able to do. But let me just let me check this once. I mean, I want to be able to complete this. So it boils down to this.
Yes sir.
Okay, it boils. But
Two.
let's just check it once if it's correct. Because in case it is wrong, then it's not good to be happy for wrong reasons. 2 times n plus 1. Yeah, this looks AMGM, does it? No.
Uh.
Yeah, like somehow
A
you
bit. A
break
bit.
the left hand. I don't know, but let's just square it and check. If it's not true, then it's 4n plus 4. No, this may not be true. Is it true? Yeah, this is not true.
Okay, so doesn't work.
Yeah, does it work? 6 plus
No, so I'm
it
checking.
is almost true, but then it is not true. 6n plus 2, that is 2n, that is 8n, which is fine. Oh, it is true. It is true, and it is true in the
It is
right
true, so yes.
way. Just the right way.
Yeah, you'll
Just
plus
one
4. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
one bigger than 0.
Yes, sir. Just true.
So this is the correct thing which you said. Yeah, so I should ask you, so how did you get this a equal to 2 and b equal to 1?
Just a guess, sir. Just a lucky guess. I was
There's a
trying.
Mhm.
I was stuck on trying b equal to 0, but then like you said, we'll get the same inequality. So then I tried b equal to 1, and we had already tried a equal to 1, b equal to 1. So I
Yeah,
put a equal to 2, b
a
equal to
equal
1.
to 2 was correct. That I was also sure that a should be equal to 2, because 3 may already 3n is there, so you cannot get anything more than 3. So 2 was the correct thing, and
Yes,
that
sir.
1 was sort of the easiest thing. Yeah, nice, good. So I mean, I don't know, but did this approach help, that you take an arbitrary tn and try to guess? I think maybe
Yes, sir.
it
Yes, sir.
helped me.
Uh, yes, sir. Something like this definitely helps. So comparing coefficients and
Yes, like a little,
seeing what values will work, what values won't work.
yeah, like going a little mechanical.
Yes,
Like
sir.
little mechanical, but then knowing what cannot be true and boiling down to the correct thing. Yeah, nice. This is nice.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Someone can elegantly guess this, that will be best. He will save a lot of time. But yeah, I could not do it.
But it's
Yeah.
not an easy guess. Not an easy guess. Sir.
Yeah, I don't know. Some technique to guess it. Probably that for thinking for later. Okay, so let's try more problems, but I think let's join again. So less than 8 minutes are left, around 8 minutes.
Okay.
Let's join
Yes.
again, then we'll finish it.